This course encompasses all the tasks outlined in the Airman Certification Standards from Task A through Task H, with a specific focus on preparing you for the oral component of your check ride. To ensure maximum comprehension and readiness, it is recommended to follow a structured learning approach. The course provides detailed video content for each knowledge area associated with every task. To fully harness this resource, you should commence your learning journey by watching the video sequentially, starting with Task A and proceeding through the tasks in order. Within each video, you will encounter an in-depth breakdown of each knowledge area, along with a clear explanation of the expected standards. After viewing a video, students are encouraged to reinforce their understanding through self-assessment quizzes, independent study, practical application, and seeking clarification for any lingering uncertainties. Consistent practice and self-evaluation are essential to internalize the ACS requirements and gain the confidence necessary to excel during the oral portion of the check ride. Ultimately, this course serves as a valuable tool for airmen who aspire not only to meet, but surpass the standards set by the ACS. I'll see you in the next lesson.